Hi, I'm Andrew Unterweger from Wise Guru. We try and help Australian expats all over the world with making informed choices in relation to their Australian property holdings and the way they finance those in the most efficient way. If you want to find out what's happening in the various Australian property markets and get the latest data from the likes of CoreLogic, JAKARTA, the RBA, MB.BS, etc., then please join us on the 15th of April and also on the 28th of April when we'll be holding online webinars to give you all of that information, plus look at other things. A lot of people think that potentially the Australian property markets are in a bubble and they're worried about lending standards and cheap money and inflation and many things that perhaps we should be thinking about, but in the right context and looking at research to guide us in our decision making. If those things are important to you, then as I say, register and join us on the 15th and 28th of April, and hopefully we can answer a lot of your queries, and we'll have a live Q&A afterwards so you can ask your own particular questions and we can delve into that in more detail. Once again, I'm Andrew Unterweger from Wise Guru. All the very best to all the Aussie expats out there in the world.